Hello, my dear friends. Friends, I am Jyotirvid Pawan Kumar. Friends, today in this video, I am going to give you a short demo of a portable nebulizer. Nebulizing machines is used by patients of asthma who have respiratory problems. Since long, I have some respiratory problem, and my doctor recommended me using a nebulizing machine, right, in which you put a respule of medication and it eases your breathing, right. Now at home I have a machine which is bigger one, nebulizing machine. It is mains AC operated, so I cannot carry it with me. And sometime it so happened when I was out, I required nebulizing, right? So if it is a case with you, then I recommend you can buy a portable nebulizer. There are so many portable nebulizers available, but I selected this Dr. Trust. Now friends, let me first of all tell you that this is not a sponsored video, right? I am not advertising. Why I am making is because it is a useful product, it is a good product, and if you require it and if you are confused which one to buy, so I am recommending it to you, right? That is the main purpose, right? And use nebulizing machine only if it is recommended by your doctor. And there are so many different uh, respiles with medications of different salts, so I'm not suggesting which one to use. Go as per the advice of your qualified doctor, right? Now so I selected this Dr. Trust portable mesh nebulizer, right? It works on ultrasonic technology, right? There is no noise and it is so small. Let me show you this, right? Such a wonderful thing, so cute, small, right? You can carry it with you and doesn't make any noise, and it operates on 2 batteries. I'll show you everything, right? Now you can read the instruction manual. They give an instruction manual with it for all the instructions, and I recommend that before using it for the first time you must read the instruction manual carefully, because there are some important points. And this being a small device, it is quite fragile in the sense that you have to take care, due care, right? Especially for cleaning and using, right? So you can read the manual. I'm not going in such detail, but I'm going to tell you some important points. Now friends, first of all, when you buy it, I have purchased it from Amazon.in. You can purchase from Amazon or Flipkart. Now here they offer you extension of the warranty for 6 months for both Amazon customers and Flipkart customers. So within 15 days of buying it, you can go to their site, it is written there, and you can register, and your warranty will be extended to 6 months. Okay. Now this unit comes with 2 masks. One is a smaller one for children and another one is a bigger for adults, and there is also a mouthpiece. You can either use this or you can use the mask, and as a special offer I have got a free thermometer also with this one, free of cost, right? Now let me tell you that this is a compartment for putting the medication, right? So carefully press the button which is below on the back side, and then pull it smoothly, carefully towards you, right? And put the medication. After removing it, then you open it from the back side carefully and put the medication. I have already put. See, the medication in these respiles comes in about I think 2.5 or 3 ml, right? So the maximum capacity of this container is 8 mil, but if you do not want to use the full, you can put at least 1 mil. Minimum required is 0.5, but at least you put 1 mil if you do not want to take the full Respure, right? Because after each use they recommend you must clean it. So if the medication is left there, you are putting too much, then it will be wasted. Okay, now you put the medication only after removing this from the unit, and put the medication here and carefully close it, lock it from the back. It must be, you hear a clicking sound, it must be closed, otherwise medication will come out. Okay, then you hold the unit and push it back carefully, smoothly, and you will, at the end, when it is locked in, you will hear a clicking sound like this. But it is locked there. It is important that it is properly inserted and locked, right? This is a cover, and you can remove it. Inside you can see there is a mesh, ultrasound mesh, which vibrates. So it is important that you do not poke your finger or with anything inside, it can get damaged, right? It is very important. And all the cleaning instructions sorry, cleaning instructions are given in the manual, you can read, they are important. So you can either fix the mouthpiece here, and after putting you can switch it on, and see, fumes are coming. Or you can insert the mask. Right, then switch it off. Now you don't have to switch off if you are using the full medication. When the medication is finished in the chamber, it will automatically switch off. But if it doesn't, right, then in that case the other light LED will light up showing that the medication is finished. And if it doesn't turn off because of some fault, then you switch it off. This is important, right? So after using, remove this container, medication compartment, and clean it. Clean only as per their instructions, it is important, right? Now let me remove this chamber and show you that it runs on 2 batteries. It's a compartment, 2 alkaline batteries they are giving with it, and it is important that the polarity is taken into consideration. It is marked here, one side is positive, the other is negative, and on the battery also it is marked positive and the other side negative. So one battery will go here with positive upward and the other with negative terminal upward. Then close it, you will hear a clicking sound, and then you can insert this medication compartment. Friends, it's a very useful, you can carry it with you, and it's a wonderful thing if you are suffering from any respiratory problems. Thank you for watching this video.